And a very good morning to you all. It's a great pleasure for me to be in Ba today. And I've been looking forward to this in the last 7 days, to be here in Ba to honor some of our veteran cane growers with pension checks for their lifetime of service to the Fijian sugarcane industry. Some 380 people over the age of 70 who have no other pension are to receive $100 a month through the Rarawai Penang Cane Producers Association. This money comes from a fund set up, as you've heard, under the Fair Trade Initiative. This initiative was allowed and supported by my government and in conjunction with the FSC, Tate & Lyle. And today we see one of the results of this collaboration. In 2012, the Rarawai Penang Cane Producers Association received $1.42 million for its crop, and it's dispersing these pensions from its Fair Trade Premium Fund. I can think of no group in Fiji more deserving than veteran cane growers who have been the backbone of our country. The Fijian economy has been built on the sugarcane industry and the sweat and toil of these farmers. I don't believe that this fact has been acknowledged widely enough. Indeed, I am saddened by the fact that it never was. Before the growth of tourism and other sectors, the sugarcane industry for nearly 100 years was almost the sole contributor to the prosperity of our country. Our cane farmers were the ones who contributed to generating revenue for our country, helping to build roads, build hospitals and schools, and create other industries. Imagine what life was like on our cane farms more than 50 years ago, when many of these men started work. No mechanization and long hours under the tropical sun, with bullocks and plows to till the soil. Today, we honor the back-breaking effort of these growers that made sugar Fiji's biggest export earner. As Minister for Sugar, I have tried hard to address the years of neglect by previous governments and the politicization that almost took this industry to the brink of collapse. Some factors were, and are of course, out of our control, such as world market prices. But what we could control, we so often did not. And the reforms that were so badly needed in the sugar industry and the country and the nation as a whole were put off because it just seemed all too hard or it did not suit the agenda of the politicians. Now my government has made the hard decisions needed not only to keep the Fijian sugarcane industry alive, but to make it a durable and lucrative sector. And I'm pleased to report today in front of these veterans of the industry to whom we owe so much that our efforts are finally bearing fruit. Fijian cane growers will receive nearly $80 a ton for their recent crop instead of less than $50 a ton 2.5 years ago. It's a stunning result. In addition to this, my government and FSC have agreed to sell 60,000 tons of fair trade sugar to Tate & Lyle to ensure that the farmers still receive the fair trade premium price of $110 a ton. Ladies and gentlemen, this pension initiative today sits well with my government's policy of providing social security system for Fijians over the age of 70. We want our senior citizens to live out their twilight years without being unduly concerned for themselves and a burden on their families. In our new constitution, we are also enshrining social and economic rights for the first time. The right to health and sanitation, the right to housing, the right to adequate food and clean water, the right to economic participation, those things that constitute the necessities of life. We will continue to work to improve the lot of elderly Fijians everywhere, and also improve the lot of all Fijians dependent on the sugar industry for their livelihoods through a holistic approach. The government has also guaranteed financial access to FSC to facilitate a quicker system of payment to growers. We are subsidizing landowners for lease payments if they renew land leases. And we have set aside additional funding to assist farmers to increase production and yields. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to stress today the need to politicize the sugarcane industry. There are too many self-serving old political faces who are trapped in the past and are still trying to sow doubt and fear. To those of you dependent on the sugarcane industry, I urge you to think about their false promises and deception. I also urge you to think about what has been achieved under my government regarding the improvement in the sugarcane industry. A genuine effort to improve the quality of your lives and the lives of all those without discrimination. The improvement in and access to justice and equality, and our focus on the future. Of course, today we remember the past in a positive fashion and pay tribute to those of you who have given your working lives to this industry and who now deserves greater security. These pensions and the certificates acknowledging your contribution is our way of saying, Bahut Dhanbad, Vinakabagalevu, Shukriya, and thank you. Every Fijian joins me in paying tribute to you today and wishes you peace and contentment. Today we salute you for your service to us all. Thank you.